Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mix Pre-6. First, connect your power source, either through the USB-C port or by inserting 4 AA batteries into the sled. Next, plug your microphones into the 4 available XLR/TRS combo inputs. Finally, ensure an SD card is inserted into the slot, ready to capture your high-quality audio. This foundational setup gets you ready to record in moments. Now, let's set your input levels. Use the individual rotary knobs for each channel to adjust the gain. Keep a close eye on the clear LCD screen to monitor your audio levels. It's best practice to aim for peak levels around -6 decibels. This ensures you capture strong, clean audio without any unwanted distortion or clipping, providing excellent headroom for post-production. With your levels set, you're ready to record. Simply press the large red record button to begin capturing audio and press it again to stop. Always use the headphone jack to monitor your sound in real time, ensuring everything sounds perfect. For more control, dive into the menu to explore advanced settings like sample rates and bit depth, tailoring your recording to specific needs. After recording, safely eject your SD card once all recordings have stopped. You can then transfer your high-quality WAV or MP3 files to your computer for editing and post-production. Remember, the Mix Pre-6 offers flexible power solutions, including L-mount batteries, which provide significantly extended operational time compared to AA batteries, perfect for longer shoots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.